Hey everyone, ClickTech Updates here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital technology and app development. We live in a digital world, apps are everywhere. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, apps play a crucial role in our daily lives. They help us stay connected, organized, entertained, and informed. Ever wondered how they're made? The process behind creating these digital tools is both intricate and fascinating. It involves a blend of creativity, technical skills, and a lot of teamwork. You're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this guide will provide you with valuable insights into the world of app development. This essay will guide you on how to become a web or mobile app developer. We'll explore the resources available, from books to online courses that can help you get started on your journey. It's a journey of creativity and problem solving. You'll learn how to brainstorm ideas, collaborate with others, and turn your concepts into functional applications. Get ready to bring your ideas to life. The process of app development allows you to transform your thoughts into tangible digital products that can be used by people all over the world. Whether it's a website, a game, or a productivity tool, it all starts with code. Coding is the foundation of all digital applications, and learning it opens up a world of possibilities. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. With the right guidance and resources, anyone can learn to code. It's all about taking that first step and being persistent. We'll break down the basics, from programming languages to essential tools. You'll get an overview of the most popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and Swift, and learn about the tools that developers use to write, test, and debug their code. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of app development. Together we'll explore the steps involved in creating an app, from the initial idea to the final product. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of what it takes to be an app developer and the confidence to start building your own apps. Let's start with the web. Imagine a website like a house. HTML is the foundation. It provides the structure and content. Think walls, floors, and rooms. CSS is like the paint and decorations. It makes the website visually appealing. Think colors, fonts, and layouts. JavaScript adds interactivity. It's like the electricity that powers your lights and appliances. It makes the website dynamic and responsive. These three languages work together to create the websites you use every day. Now let's dive into the world of mobile app development. When it comes to mobile platforms, Android and iOS dominate the market. These two giants have their own unique ecosystems and development environments. For Android development, the primary languages you'll encounter are Java and Kotlin. Java has been around for decades and is known for its robustness and reliability. Java is a veteran in the field, trusted by developers for its stability and extensive libraries. On the other hand, Kotlin is a newer language that has been gaining popularity rapidly due to its modern features and concise syntax. Both Java and Kotlin power millions of apps on the Google Play Store, from simple utilities to complex games and enterprise applications. For iOS development, Swift is the go-to language. Introduced by Apple in 2014, Swift has quickly become the preferred choice for iOS developers. Swift is known for its speed and efficiency, allowing developers to create high-performance apps that run smoothly on iPhones and iPads. These languages, Java, Kotlin, and Swift, are specifically designed to build seamless and engaging mobile experiences. They offer powerful tools and frameworks that make the development process more efficient and enjoyable. Think about the games you play, the social media apps you use, and even the tools you rely on to track your fitness. All these applications are brought to life by the power of these programming languages. From the initial idea to the final product, Java, Kotlin, and Swift play a crucial role in the development of mobile apps that enhance our daily lives. So the next time you use your favorite app, remember the technology behind it. So which path will you choose, web or mobile? The choice is yours. Maybe you're drawn to the vastness of the web, or perhaps you're passionate about creating seamless mobile experiences. It all depends on your interests and goals. The good news is that you don't have to limit yourself. You can always explore both worlds. Many developers have expertise in both web and mobile development. It's all about finding what excites you the most. Section 5. Tools of the Trade, your developer toolkit. In this section, we will explore the essential tools that every developer should have in their arsenal. These tools are designed to make your coding experience smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable. Now that you know about the languages, let's talk tools. The right tools can significantly enhance your productivity and help you write better code. They are the backbone of your development process, providing you with the necessary features and functionalities to bring your ideas to life. Think of them as your developer toolkit. Just like a carpenter needs a hammer and nails, a developer needs a set of specialized tools to build software. These tools range from code editors to integrated development environments, IIDEs, each serving a unique purpose in the development lifecycle. For web development, Visual Studio Code is a popular choice. It's a lightweight yet powerful code editor that supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. With features like IntelliSense, debugging, and Git integration, Visual Studio Code makes writing and managing code a breeze. It's a powerful code editor that makes writing code easier. The customizable interface allows you to tailor the editor to your specific needs, and the extensive library of extensions means you can add new functionalities as you go. For Android development, you have Android Studio. This IDE is specifically designed for building Android applications and comes with a host of features to simplify the development process. From a robust code editor to a comprehensive set of testing tools, Android Studio has everything you need. It provides everything you need to build, test, and debug Android apps. The built-in emulator allows you to test your apps on different devices and configurations, ensuring that your app works seamlessly across all platforms. And for iOS development, there's Xcode. This is the official IDE for developing applications for iOS and macOS. Xcode offers a suite of tools that make it easy to design, code, and debug your apps. It's the official IDE, or integrated development environment, for iOS and macOS app development, with features like Interface Builder, which allows you to design your app's user interface visually, and a powerful code editor, Xcode, streamlines the entire development process. These tools offer a wide range of features to streamline your workflow, whether you're working on a web application, an Android app, or an iOS project. Having the right tools can make all the difference. They not only enhance your productivity, but also help you write cleaner, more efficient code. So, invest time in learning and mastering these tools, as they are indispensable in your journey as a developer. Section 6. Online learning, your gateway to coding. The best part is that you can learn all of this online. Platforms like Codecademy offer interactive coding tutorials. FreeCodeCamp provides a comprehensive curriculum for web development. Coursera partners with universities and organizations to offer online courses. And of course, YouTube is a treasure trove of tutorials and tech talks. These resources make learning to code accessible to anyone, regardless of their background or location. Section 7. Project-based learning, building your portfolio. While tutorials are great, nothing beats hands-on experience. Start building your projects. Create a personal website to showcase your skills. Develop a simple mobile app that solves a problem you're passionate about. These projects will not only solidify your understanding, but also build your portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential when applying for jobs or freelance gigs. Section 8. The power of community, connecting with developers. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Join developer communities. GitHub is a platform where developers collaborate on projects and share their code. Stack Overflow is a question and answer site for programmers. Reddit has numerous subreddits dedicated to specific programming languages and frameworks. These communities provide a space to ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with other developers. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, embracing tech trends. The world of technology is constantly evolving. New languages, frameworks, and tools emerge all the time. Stay updated. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and watch channels like Click Tech Updates. Continuously learning and adapting is key to thriving as a developer. Section 10. The rewards of coding, a fulfilling career path. Becoming a web or mobile app developer is a rewarding journey. It's challenging, creative, and constantly evolving. You'll have the opportunity to solve problems, build amazing things, and make a real impact. The demand for skilled developers is high and it's only going to increase. So if you're passionate about technology and eager to learn, this could be the perfect career path for you. Section 11. Conclusion, your journey into the world of development. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and embark on your journey into the world of web and mobile app development. It's a world of endless possibilities where your creativity and problem-solving skills can truly shine. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small, be persistent, and never stop learning. The digital world awaits your creations.